Section 9, number 3. These two polygons undergo reflection. You're going to determine the line of reflection. So it takes a look here. Let's take a look at the original R. The original R looks like it was this value of 3 comma negative 1. Then it became this new value here of 3 positive 1. Okay, it looks like the the y value changed. So based on our rule, we know that it reflected across the x-axis. This was the line of reflection for A. Next, for B, there isn't a straight rule here, but we notice from A, the line of reflection creates a symmetrical object based on where the line of reflection is. It creates equal distance. So here, if we drew the line here from left to right, it wouldn't make sense because we didn't cut the object in two. Okay, it would make more sense if it is up and down, and where it crosses through the middle, it would be right there. Okay, let's count the value. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is when x is equal to negative 3. Here, this is the line of reflection. All right, now let's take a look at C. Again, we want to draw a line that allows us to have symmetrical objects on left and right. Okay, here it cuts it through perfectly, and this is through the y-axis. This is going to be the line of reflection. Don't believe me? Let's grab the points. The u originally is 2 comma 2, but u prime, it is the value of negative 2 comma 2. Notice the x value changes. Okay, that also proved that the line of reflection is the y-axis. So there you go. That is how you determine the line of reflection.